Did you know you can get paid just for playing video games? Today I want to show you how you can make tons of money by becoming a game tester, where to find the best gaming opportunities and how much you can earn just by playing game, maybe for 4 hours. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what is game testing? Game testing is when you play video games that are still in development to find bugs, glitches, and gameplay issues. Okay, so your job is to give feedback to developers to improve on the game before it is being released to the public. Sounds fun, right? So the best part is that it pays, and it pays very well. So how do you get started? Can you become a game tester? Starting as a game tester is easier than you can think, and you don't even need any form of degree, but you do need to understand game mechanics and how to report bugs. Start by testing for free beta games to show your work, or even join communities on Reddit or Discord. Okay, so this brings us to the most important part: where to find these jobs. Where can you find these jobs? Where do these jobs exist? Where can I start earning as a game tester? Here are the top platforms to start your game testing today. Number one is Playtestcloud. It is ideal for mobile game testing. Beta testing offers paid. Number two is beta testing. It offers both paid tests for game and app tests. Great opportunity for both beginner and advanced tester with varieties of products, okay, globally. Number three is VMC Global Beta Test Network. This specializes in beta testing for console and PS games. So number four is Lionbridge. This is another option that pays for both game testing and localizations work. So how much can you earn playing 4 hours in a day? For example, you can play more, you can play less, okay? How much can you actually earn if you test games for at least 4 hours in a day? Here's a breakdown for platforms like Playtestcloud. You can earn between $10 per test. Assuming you complete 3 to 4 hours test a day, that's around $30 to $40 per day, right? You can even earn more. Okay, so for beta testing, test pay between $10 to $20 per day. So if you do 2 to 3 hours test, expect between $30 to $50 per day. The VMC Global Beta Test Network, this can pay you between $10 to $15 per hour. So for 4 hours, that's roughly about 60 hours, depending, okay? Lionbridge, so this can typically pay between $10 to $20 per hour. So if you work for 4 hours, you can practically earn up to $80, let's say from $40 to $80 per day. So with consistent testing across these platforms, you can make anywhere from $30 to $100, depending on the project and your efforts. So how can you become successful on this? So here are some tips to maximize your earnings. So apply to multiple platforms. More platforms mean more opportunities. Be detailed in your feedback, okay? The better your feedback, the more likely you will get invited for future tests, okay? So test different types of games, mobile, PC, console, expand your horizons, to get more work. So if you're serious about making money playing video games, give game testing a shot, hit the follow button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more money making tips.